Thank you for purchasing the Tropicana shower panel from PULSE ShowerSpas. PULSE ShowerSpa panels are specifically designed for new construction or shower remodel projects and requires professional installation and plumbing. It is highly recommended to use a licensed plumbing contractor for the installation of PULSE ShowerSpa panel products. The Tropicana ShowerSpa features a rain shower head with a pivoting shower arm, 6 adjustable body jets, a hand shower, tub spout, and a diverter to change functions easily. Each function operates independently for a relaxing shower spa experience. Before installation, please refer to the owner's manual to ensure all parts are included as shown in the parts legend. Use the recommended tools and materials needed for the shower panel assembly, plumbing, and installation. First, turn off the water to the residence and relieve any water pressure by turning on a faucet. The existing hot and cold water valves will be replaced and plumbed for the new shower panel. For the height of a person from 5 foot 8 inches to 6 foot 2 inches, we recommend the hot and cold stub-outs to be 40 inches above the finished floor. Stub out 1-inch hot and cold supply lines beyond the finished wall surface, 4 inches on center. For best results, attach 1/2-inch 90-degree shark bite compression fittings to the stub-outs and maintain a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of space between the fitting and the finished wall. The open end of the 90-degree brass fittings should point down, so the shower spa's supply lines attach parallel to the wall. Wrap the threads with Teflon tape to help prevent leaks. For the height of a person from 5 foot 8 inches to 6 foot 2 inches, we recommend placing the holes of the upper mount at approximately 70¼ inches above the finished floor. Level and mark the location and holes for the upper mount. To determine the location for the lower mount, measure the distance between the indents on the bottom edges of the horizontal mounting bars on the back of the panel. Using this distance, measure down from the holes on the upper mount to obtain the location of the holes for the lower mount. Make sure both mounts are level. Before drilling holes for the mounts, make sure the hot and cold stub-outs don't interfere with the back side of the shower spa. The shower spa panel should be flush with the finished wall at the desired mounting height. Drill 1/4 inch holes through the wall surface using a masonry bit. Insert anchors and securely screw the brackets to the wall. Next, insert the hand shower holder into the hole located on the side of the shower spa and secure with a nut. Before connecting the hot and cold supply lines, hang the shower spa onto the wall. Check the height and make sure the shower spa is flush and secure against the wall. Remove the shower panel by lifting upward off the wall mounts. Before mounting the shower spa, check and secure all fittings. Connect the hot and cold water supply lines to the 90-degree brass fittings. Mount the shower spa onto the brackets. Turn on the water to the residence and check for leaks. When fittings are leak-free, seal around the body of the shower spa with a bead of clear silicone. Do not seal the bottom. Next, slide the shower arm into the insert and tighten. Make sure the rubber washer is in the shower head and tighten onto the shower arm. Insert a washer into both ends of the shower hose. Attach the hexagon end to the threaded outlet on the bottom of the shower spa. Attach the hand shower to the tapered end of the shower hose. Place the hand shower onto the holder. Installation of your PULSE ShowerSpa is now complete. Please refer to the product owner's manual for more detailed information. Enjoy your PULSE ShowerSpa. There's no better way to start your day.